In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete and void invoices in Xero, a key skill for anyone managing business finances. We'll walk through the entire process, step by step, so you can easily follow along and ensure that your accounting records remain accurate and up to date. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to open your web browser and search for Xero. You can simply type Xero in your search bar and hit enter. When your search results come up, look for the official Xero website link typically titled Xero Accounting Software for Small Businesses. Click on this link, which will direct you to their homepage. Once you're on the Xero homepage, look towards the upper right corner of the screen for the Login button. Go ahead and click that to access your account. Enter your credentials and log into your account to proceed. This will bring you to your dashboard, giving you an overview of your ongoing financial activities. With the dashboard open, look for the Sales tab on the top navigation menu. Click on Sales, which will then bring up a few more options. From the sub-menu that appears, select Invoices. This will bring you to the Invoices section where you can view all the invoices you've generated. If you wish to void an invoice, you need to find one that's marked as Awaiting Payment. Click on such an invoice to open its details. Once you're inside the invoice details, notice the three-dot menu icon, often referred to as the More Options or Overflow menu, usually found in the top right section of the invoice page. Click on these dots to reveal more settings. Within the options that pop up, select Void. A prompt will appear asking you to confirm your action. Click Void again, and the invoice will be voided, effectively neutralizing any influence it had on your account balances. Now, let's move on to deleting a draft invoice. Return to the Invoices list, and this time, look for any draft invoice. Click on it to open. Much like before, locate the three-dot menu and click on it. From the resulting menu, select Delete. As a precaution, you'll be asked to confirm your decision to delete the invoice. Click Delete once more to finalize the action, and the draft invoice will be removed from your records. And there you have it. That's how you void an invoice awaiting payment and delete a draft invoice in Xero. By following these steps, you ensure that your financial records remain consistent and reflect true business activity. Remember, careful management of your invoices plays a big part in maintaining healthy financial statements. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more tips on managing your financial workflow efficiently. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.